SIDRA Coin's latest mining update and easy guide. Hello cryptocurrency miners, welcome to the channel, and this video I will be dropping updates about SIDRA, and trust me, you're going to like it because this video is full of all crypto SIDRA coin mining news. Hey there, future SIDRA millionaires, if you're watching this, you are either already mining, SIDRA, or you are curious about how to start. Either way, you are in the right place, and let me tell you, if you are still sleeping on SIDRA mining, you are missing out big time. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be explaining some key factors and some other parts you need to know about SIDRA mining. Before we dive in, let me ask you a simple question. If someone told you that you could mine a cryptocurrency for free just by clicking a button every day, will you believe it? Probably not, right? You will think, nah, this sounds like one of those internet scams, right? But guess what? SIDRA coin is a real value, and people are already staking up their coins, right? People are already stacking up their coins daily. So now let's break it down in the simplest way possible so you can understand mining SIDRA coin today. In case you are just mining, or maybe you are yet to start, all this video is for you, right? What is SIDRA coin? Think of SIDRA coin as your ticket to the crypto world, because without spending a dime, it is a digital currency backed by SIDRA Bank, which operates in the decentralized finance, which you can simply call it DeFi, right? DeFi space. What makes it unique? It follows Islamic finance principles, meaning it's built on ethical and fair financial practices. But even if you are not focused on that, you are here for one thing: how to mine and make money, right? How to make money with your SIDRA coin. Whether you are a Muslim or you are Christian, you are still going to mine SIDRA coin for free, right? So forget about Islamic, forget about that they say it's under Islamic Sharia law. It doesn't matter. If you are a Christian, you still have chance to mine SIDRA coin. If you are a Muslim, you still have chance to mine SIDRA coin. That is the good part of it, right? How to start mining SIDRA coin? First things first, right? First thing first is mining SIDRA coin is easy. No expensive mining rigs, no crazy electricity bills, and no rocket science. Here is how you can simply start. You just need to sign up. Head over to the SIDRA Bank website and create an account. Make sure to verify your email. Don't use that email that you've been using in 2010, and right now you have forgotten the password and there's nowhere the email to be found, and maybe you want to use the email again. Be careful, guys, be careful, right? So download the SIDRA application, right? It's available on the Play Store. If you are on iPhone, you might not wait or check if there's an alternative, right? So let's just try and give you the direction or all the guides you need on Android phone. Log in using the KYC option to connect your account with the app. Simple. Then start mining. Once inside the app, just press the mining button and let the magic happen. It's really easier than making instant noodles. If you think I'm lying, go and try it out if you're yet to start up, right? But if you're already mining SIDRA, good one for you. This video is actually for you. So and also don't forget, you have to check back daily to keep mining. This isn't one of those set in and forget situations. You need to tap that button every 24 hours to keep earning. Consider it your new daily routine, like scrolling TikTok or ignoring your alarm in the morning. That's it, guys. So if SIDRA, right? Is SIDRA mining worth it? I want you to understand this very well. Is SIDRA mining worth it? Now, I know what you are thinking. Many people will just say, no, SIDRA mining doesn't make sense and this and that. No. Is this actually going to make you rich? That's the question. Look, let's be real. You are not going to buy a Lamborghini overnight. But mining SIDRA now is like getting in early before the real value starts kicking in. Many coins like Bitcoin and Pi network started out like this, right? Like we all know, they started like this with free mining. Imagine if you had mined Bitcoin, oh my god, back in 2010. You will be on a private island right now, enjoying yourself, chilling, enjoying yourself, flexing because you have the money to flex. Latest update on SIDRA, right? So let me update you the latest update in SIDRA right now. Big things are happening. SIDRA Bank is transitioning from the test network to the live network, which means the value of SIDRA coin is getting serious. Plus, the team is working on making the coin tradable, so you will be able to swap it for other cryptocurrencies in the future. The key here is start mining now while it's still free. Start mining. Don't come later and regret the way it happens during Bitcoin time. I wasn't be able to be one of those people that mine Bitcoin, right? So if you know you missed that chance, don't miss SIDRA. So what is my final thought? SIDRA coin is a non-brainer. It's a free to mine, easy to use, and has serious potential. Worst case scenario, you spend 5 seconds tapping a button every day and end up with nothing. Best case, you mine thousands of SIDRA coins and one day they become super valuable. Which one sounds better for you? So don't wait, get started now. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment if you have already started mining. Let's build SIDRA community together, and let's make sure that SIDRA is one of the biggest mining. Alright, so imagine you have like 2000 SIDRA and maybe SIDRA launch at 5 USDT. You know how much is that? You're going to make a lot of profit. So guys, make sure at least you start mining SIDRA today, because if you miss out on Bitcoin, you miss out on XPR, you miss out on Pi, you miss out on Ethereum. Don't miss out on SIDRA. So if you are mining SIDRA, congratulations to you, because you are just digging into a crypto world, and trust me, you're going to earn rewards by mining SIDRA. If there's any update guys about SIDRA coin, I will be dropping it in this channel all the time. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next update. Thank you.